Hey y'all, today I am so excited. I am gonna make my stuffed crust cast iron pan pizza with onions, black olives, and mushrooms. Now let's get into it. Okay guys, so we're gonna start with 2 tablespoons of olive oil. And this will help the crust to get crispy and golden brown at the bottom. Okay, and I have my pre-rolled pizza dough. I'm going to place that right in this skillet. I'm going to bring it up on the sides a little bit so I can place the cheese in the pie crust. Okay, I ran out of string cheese, so I'm just going to put some shredded cheese right in this area and wrap it in. Just like that. So now you know that's another option. You can use string cheese or the shredded cheese. Just tuck it in. All right, that's looking good. Okay, so now I'm going to add some marinara sauce. All right, I'm going to add a little bit of salt. A little bit of garlic powder. A little bit of Italian seasoning. Okay, I'm going to add the mozzarella cheese. I'm going to add some black olives. This is the only thing I like black olives on is pizza. To one side of the pizza, I'm going to add some red onions. I'm gonna add some mushrooms to the entire pizza. Okay, so I'm going to put this in the oven at 550 on the lower rack so the crust will brown at the bottom. Okay, this is what I'm talking about. Pizza Hut who? Look at this baby. Okay, now I'm going to just brush the crust with the garlic butter that I made. Listen to that sizzle. Y'all just don't know how excited I am. Pizza is my absolute favorite. Whoa. I'm just gonna let it cool for a few and now for the taste test. Deja bite. This is delicious. Guys, thank you for watching. I gotta go and eat this pizza. Until next time.